Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I have the first makeup look of a mini series of inspired makeup from the Harry Potter houses, and the first look I'm going to be doing is inspired by Gryffindor. And if you are new here, hi, welcome to the world of Beautycraft. I'm Joanna, and in this channel I share all of my passions, mostly makeup, and I have new videos every Saturday, but I also have some bits of lifestyle and geekiness, a little bit like this. So I am a huge Harry Potter fan, and I definitely thought I should do some makeup looks inspired by that. Some very wearable and mostly simple makeup looks. So if you also like that sort of content, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and if you like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so starting this Gryffindor look, I have done my brows very naturally with a more brown color. I used the Brow Perfect pomade from LIDL. And the Gryffindor colors are a kind of deep red and a very yellow gold. So I think I'm going to use two different palettes. I was thinking about using the Sofx Revolution because it's got this really sort of darker red that is not too red, is a little bit more on the burgundy tone. So I think this red will be very nice. And then for the gold, I might use her highlighter palette a little bit, but the Temi palette also has really nice shade that I actually used on my last makeup video. That is this shimmer called Golden Sands. So it's definitely a very yellow shimmer. So I might mix this one with a lighter shade of gold, but I think this is kind of towards the Gryffindor yellow gold. And I think I want this look kind of simple, so probably the entire eye with the burgundy red and then some gold on top. And I'm just going to prime my lids using the Kiko Neutral Eye Base. And as I mentioned, I want this look kind of simple. I'm going to start by picking this shade, and I'm going to pack it all over the lid and then blend it up. So there are already a lot of Harry Potter houses looks out there, and with this mini makeup series I definitely want to create more wearable looks. And I am starting with Gryffindor because I definitely think I would be sorted into Gryffindor. This part I'm going to try winging it out a little bit. So that is basically it for the red. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye, and then I'll apply the gold. Okay, that is it for the red. It is super simple. You just gotta blend it well on the upper part. Now I'm going to take the yellow gold, so this shade, and I think I'm just going to use my finger. It's going to be much more simple, and I am pressing it all over the lid. Yeah, this definitely looks great with that shade of red. Just going to take a little bit more to just make it a little bit more intense, mostly in the center and in the inner corner. Then I'm just going to take the brush I used for the red and blend a little bit this outer part. But yeah, I think that looks really, really nice. Now, this look, I feel like it could use a winged liner, so I'm just going to do that. Kind of feel like my eyeliner is drying a little bit, but I'm just going to even it out. And for mascara, I think I'm going to be using my favorite, that is the NYX On The Rise Volume Lift Mascara with just a little bit of the Kiko Everlasting Kajal on my waterline. Okay, and that is the upper part finished. I also cleaned it up a little bit with a wipe, nothing too much, but just to give it a more winged shape. And I'll actually be doing my base off camera. I'll come back to do bronzer, blush, highlighter, and lipstick, and also to finish the eyes. So I will be right back. Okay, so I did take a little bit too long to do my base because I've actually filmed a different video that is already up on my channel. I will leave it up on the cards. And for bronzer, I want to use the Kiko Gold Waves because I think the tone of this one will go really, really well with the eyes. For blush, I want something kind of in these tones, so I'm going to use the NYX Sweet Cheeks Glowy in the shade Citrine Rose. Yeah, that looks perfect with this eye look. Sort of a little bit more orangey blush, and I also really like the glow. And for highlighter, as I mentioned, I'm going to pull the Soft highlighter palette. So I'm definitely gonna have to use the gold. I'm going to leave this aside just for a little bit while I finish my eyes. But basically, I'm going to take this red shade all over the lower lash line. Just kind of connecting to this outer corner, doing that shape. And I think I'm not even touching the Tammy palette again. I mean, for this look. I'm just going to use the highlighter for the inner corner and brow bone. This looks really good with these shades. And I just finished the look again with the Kiko Everlasting Kajal and the NYX mascara. So finally for my lips, I am definitely thinking a dark red. I think I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie Push-Up in the shade Exotic. That is this kind of slightly dark red. And actually, if you've never tried this, these lipsticks are a little bit minty, so it's really fun. And to set my look, I'm just going to use a little bit of the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Okay, and this is the finished look for the Gryffindor house from Harry Potter. I definitely like it. I think it is very simple and very wearable, even though you do have some bold kind of fiery colors. And I'm actually a pretty big fan of Harry Potter. I have just finished rereading them in the end of December. So this is definitely a series that I wanted to do on my channel. It's very geeky. So if you liked this look and if you'd like to see more, let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And I am going to be doing these looks once a month, a little bit more towards the end of the month. And I still haven't filmed any of the other ones. I was thinking about doing Hufflepuff for February, but if you have a look that you'd like to see more, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll see which one I film next. And if you'd like to see that, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new makeup and also lifestyle videos every Saturday, under 5-minute reviews every other Thursday, and some geeky content in one Tuesday a month. So that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching.